up, everybody? Thank you for watching another video today. I'm on my way to my friend's house right now. He has a Subaru Wrx Sti and he needs help installing, I think it's an APR splitter. Oh shoot, there's a cop right here. Hold up. I'm just gonna go hang out with him, kick it with him, help him out. We're actually supposed to do a photo shoot today. I really don't know what to expect out of today, but I do want to appreciate all the guys that are always, you know, watching my videos and stuff. As of today, right now, we just hit 14,000 subscribers, which is insane for me because I just started making videos not too long ago and we've been growing so quickly, and I really want to thank every single one of you because, you know, you all make a difference, believe it or not. So huge thanks, guys. Let's head out there, have some fun, see what happens, check out his STI, hopefully get some runs in. I don't know if he's down because, you know, EVOS win all the time, so but anyways, let's head out there and see what happens. Blue Subaru right there. Where is he at? Let me make you real quick. I think he lives right here. I'm just gonna pull up. Fuck it. So better come outside. What if I'm in the wrong house right now? Let me text him. I'm outside. Oh, he does live here. Alright, good. Come up. Come say what's up.
What up, bro?
What's good?
What up, what up?
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this.
We got a lot.
It was weird seeing this car all stocked with a cage. But now it looks a lot different though.
Yeah.
Damn. Let me see this. Is it brand new, brand new?
Yeah, it's brand new.
Damn. Oh, it's not that big, dude.
No, but I mean, to just have it like bolted on by the bumper and then pick it up, it shit's pretty heavy just for the bumper.
Oh, this is heavy. Alright, so these do come with hardware, but he was saying they're actually a little bit short. So we'll find out. And then it comes with rods.
Stickers, rods.
And the instructions, I guess. It does stick out pretty aggressive though. I would do the rods like this. Like on the corners and straight. I think that's like the best looking, because I don't like when people do this. Wow. Or when they put them too close. It always looks best like in the corners, wide and then straight. It gives it like the more of a track look. So, alright, so we are gonna go ahead and get longer bolts and the L brackets. Before we start removing this thing, we're gonna take the Subi. So I do have to move the Evo a little more that way. Alright, let's go. Oh, you got an exhaust too, huh? You got the Tyoe?
Can I take out the
resonator?
Yeah.
It does sound a little louder. The fuck is this?
Yeah.
What is this?
Oh shit.
What the fuck?
That's for when I have harnesses.
Oh, okay, got you. Yeah. Full on cage. Freaking hard parking on Home Depot. Oh, I just got to drive this thing. Oh, how do you get out of this? Hold up, I got the cage. Alright, we're back home. Let's get to uninstalling the front end pretty much. We gotta take out the fender flares, huh?
Yeah.
Fender flares and disconnect this. Probably some bolts right here. We'll see right now. Oh, these bolts right here?
Yeah.
Okay. That's just for the front, right?
Yeah, and then the 2 Allen bolts right there.
Allen bolts for the fender flares, and there should be like a 10 or 12 right on the side.
Actually, I don't know. I think it's just a clip. You just clip it off.
Oh, okay. We'll see right now. Alright, so we got the bumper off, meaning a Wooly. Now we're gonna mock it up, see how it fits. Okay, put it more this way, right? Do you want it? We'll go back a little bit.
Slippery.
Yeah, right here is where it's flush. Right.
Is it flush on that side?
It's flush right here, right there.
Oh, you gotta spit it on this side.
Yeah, that shit looks hard right there. Damn, this is freaking huge.
I'm telling you. So I'm pretty sure it's meant to be a chassis mounted splitter.
I mean, we'll see right now once we bolt it all up.
We'll see if it's heavy.
And then we'll see how heavy it is. If not, I would just freaking cut it. So APR sends you 24 washers, 12 locking nuts, and 12 of these. These actually might be too short because of the lip. So that's why we actually went out to Home Depot and got the bigger bolts. We got these guys right here, so it's like a big difference. These are like what, so it was like 3/16?
5/16.
5/16 by 3 inch, yeah, basically. All right, so for our first hole, we're gonna do it right here because there's like a little bracket right here, and that way it holds the lip and the splitter pretty much from the corners, so it could be secured basically. There you go. There you go. All right, we got the first one in. You obviously hold it from up top and you tighten it with an Allen key from the bottom. This is a 13 mil, and this thing is pretty much on there pretty good. So now we're actually gonna focus on doing this side right here.
Right there.
Yeah. All right, cool. This one's done. For our next one after this one, we're actually gonna put it right here, and then right here, and then 3 main ones, 3 big ones in the front, because that is what's gonna be holding the splitter from the front, and then after that we'll move on to the splitter rods. Your boy just got a cut right now. This car fucked me up. But we got 2 of these and 2 of these.
Oh, you're gonna help me though. She's gonna be
Oh
heavy.
shit.
Oh shit.
Woo. Alright. So I would drill into like, probably like right here for this corner. One in the middle here. One in this corner right here. And I'll hold it. What do you think?
Yeah.
Right here, right there now?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so now that we got the splitter on, we're gonna focus on the rods. We're gonna attach it from the side here, and we're actually gonna make it go straight into the splitter. That way it goes down like that. Alright, there we go. Come on, dude, it's gotta fit. There you go. Oh, we got a Subi pulling up. What up? You're missing tags, bro.
What's up?
You're missing your tags.
They gave it to me like that.
Oh.
You know how it says like August?
Yeah.
Well, mine didn't come with that, man.
Fuck, what I do?
Yeah, he told me the same thing. I was like, bro, that's all he gave me, so I don't care. Fuck it. Look straight. As long as it looks straight with your eyes.
Does it look straight?
As long as it's straight with your eyes.
Yeah, that looks good right there. Fuck it. Just send it.
Send it.
It's just carbon fiber, man. It's
No big deal.
Fuck.
Rip. Oh!
Don't get me, bro.
Ready?
Yeah, go this way.
Well, you forgot to put on the grill.
Should I put it on?
He's gonna leave it because he's gonna cut. You're gonna get a front mount, no?
Yeah.
Oh, I might as well just leave it out then, yeah. A fake one?
Yeah, fuck it.
A Bluetooth? Alright, so we got the splitter on. Looks super good. We're gonna go test drive just to make sure that it doesn't fall or anything's, you know, off or anything. So we're gonna get some rolling shots right now of the car. Alright guys, we're back from shooting. We got some shots for the cars. And that's pretty much the install for the 2015 to 2017 Subaru Wrx Sti. This thing is super like thick and it's really good quality. I'm actually gonna do it on the Evo later down the road in like future vlogs. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the install. It's actually pretty easy. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.